Hi everyone. Today this video will show you how to design a generalized high-pass filters using Open Stubs. Whenever we design a filter circuits, we always deal with the low-pass prototype elements, and then we can do the transformations and scale to the desired system impedance or the cutoff frequencies. So you can go to the toolbox and drag in the ports and the elements to construct your low-pass prototype circuit. So here you are having a fifth order filter circuits with 3 inductors connected in series and 2 shunt series resonance circuits which produce transmission zeros at the desired locations. So you can right click on the elements and the mini pop-up windows will appear. Here is where you can insert the values for each element, and you may find the 4 mini icons which allows you to copy, cut, paste, and delete the elements. And here is where you can select the units. In order to make the connections between the elements, you may simply move your mouse cursor close to the elements and connect the node to node, and it will form the shortest path routing from one to another. So here is your setting page where you set up your frequency range, number of points, or the step size. So when you click on the plot chart button, automatically it will simulate and display the response on these graphs. So by default, all the responses will be shown on the graphs. You may tick or untick to turn on or turn off the response to be displayed on the graphs. So here you may see 2 transition zeros introduced by the shunt series resonance circuits as you design. So next thing what we're going to do is we're going to transform this low-pass prototype circuit into a transmissionalized base circuit. In this example, we're going to make use the open circuit stub to replace all the lump element in this schematic. So when you right click, and again, here is where you can define the characteristic impedance of the line, the operating frequencies, and the corresponding electrical length at that particular frequencies. So we have chosen the cutoff frequencies to be at 1 GHz. Please take note that this design is based on 1 ohm systems impedance. So now we replace all the lump elements with all this open circuit stub connected in series and shunt. If you want to rotate the element, you simply double click. It will rotate by 90 degrees. So here we have to change the frequency range for the simulation as the cutoff frequencies as being scaled to 1 gigahertz. Let's say we put it 2.5 gig, starting from 0. And here you go. So the red lines is actually the S21. So it shows you the high pass response after the transformations from the low pass prototype circuit into the high pass circuit based on the open circuit stub. That's all. Thank you very much.